morning, everybody. This is Davey from the Trader. Let's see today what we see in the market, what opportunity we find to trade. The SPY is trying to go back up a little bit, but not much confidence in there yet. Yeah, I expect a little bit more of the same today, but let's see. Yeah, things were selling kind of a heavy volume, so yeah, let's just see what opportunities we find to trade either side, to the long or the short. Basically, like I know we are biased for the short because of the market going down, but basically, if we have to flip and go for the long, we're gonna go for the long. So yeah, for now, let's just see what we find and what are those trades that we can probably take. So if we look at SPY as we do every day, basically like very downtrending, I will say. On the daily chart, we can see that we are like halfway through this little fight that we have been having with the open down, like so. Uh, So today I have like I'm taking care of one of my daughters, so she's gonna be interrupting me so a couple times. So whenever she does that, I may take a break. So, but yeah, basically Spy is like losing it, like not looking that good, and yeah, just still going down and going down with heavy volume, I will say. So let's see what it had to offer. So that's the one day chart. All right, everybody. As I say, I'm gonna be taking a lot of breaks. I have some things to take care of during this morning. So yeah, basically PLTR you see already selling off like quite a lot basically. So um, unable to hold this 50 EMA in the 30 minutes. So I was wanting to just check the levels before, at least on PLTR and let's say Nvidia, PLTR and Nvidia, but like when we look, let's say at the 5 minute chart, and yeah, those are interesting price action here, but definitely going down. So when I look at the tape on PLTR, yeah, there might be a bounce. Um, yeah, though right now it's going even lower. Um, so I say PLTR very weak, and let's see the tape. So those are 20s. Okay, 88 is a relevant size, so 88. Toward the hop side, I have problem like finding what makes sense. So maybe this will bounce 88. Let's see, like 89, 89.40 maybe. But then you have 89.20. And 89. So those sizes are the same pretty much. And if they don't act as a level of resistance, so this is looking like if he wants to lose the 88. So basically, I'm gonna consider the 89. Like if you see here, this is having previous top pretty much. Level of support up to here, then it broke. Level of support, level of support. I know it went below and above, but resistance, resistance, resistance. Level of support. Not really support. It's just like because in here when it went on there when it across is the cross very easy, and here is doing the opposite. It's a crossing easy in both sides. So just a point of observation will be that 89 and 88. If we hold 88, let's see that price is important. There is 88.50. So we cannot ignore 88.50 because it's very important. So so yeah, then 89, as I say, Let's see if he's wanting to trade above 89. Yeah. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So let's see. Uh, okay, 89. So because it pierced 89, let's see that 89.40. So maybe the VWAP. Look, even the 89.40 went through. Very light volume there. So I want to look at the tape one more time just to see if we have any decent order. Mm, probably no. Um, that volume drop is decent. Let's see here. Yeah, maybe it's gonna go back up to the VWAP. So yeah, that's PLTR. I kind of know what I want to do with PLTR, but we're gonna have to wait a little bit more as market is just pretty much about to open. So when we check NVDA, remember that Nvidia report earnings today. That's why I was looking more long yesterday after this bounce from here. So, but I would like to keep watching it. Like like sometimes names the day before the earnings, they really pump it up, and especially Nvidia is well expected that they're gonna be beating numbers and those things, like all those good things. So the one of the good things on Nvidia is that for my analysis today, or my observations, is that good morning. How are you doing, my guy? Yeah, Nvidia has a very thick tape on the offer. So that thick tape at the offer, I would like to keep some observations. Uh, um, yeah, let's see. Like as I say, Nvidia report earnings tonight, so there is a high chance that this is gonna be pumped up today if the market provide a little bit more of stability, which is not right now. Like I mean, SPY just keep tanking. Like every pumped up, it just go down again. So yeah, SPY is not looking good. Not looking good at all. So um, so let's say the daily. Yeah, the daily, as I say, is maybe we can expect some continuation in the sell-off today. Um, so coming back to NVDA, those sizes, I think I only have like 40 seconds to say that, but like 130.45, 130.45, right there. That's very big size. So and then we have 129.00. 144, 129.44, which is around there. And yeah, let's see. So the market is about to open. Definitely NVDA looking way stronger than the rest. So way stronger than PLTR. SMCI also looking like tanking. So this name is down quite a lot. Well, up today 20%. So this is that. And let's go back to PLTR, as I say. So I want to see the interaction with PLTR at the 88.50. I say that's the important price, 88.50. So 88.50. I'm gonna try that 88.50 for the long. Trying to get 88.50. Let's see if it's doable. It's going without me. That's good. That's okay. So okay. So that VWAP, to be honest, is looking attractive. 90.20, 90.18. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, going higher. Okay, let's see. This is holding kind of okay there. So the high of that is 68. Yeah, I am right on top. If we break a higher high, I will be out. But that's what I'm not expecting it to do. The 90/20 was okay. Was probably not the best, but it was okay. So let's see. This is a 5 minute chart. I need a 1 minute chart somewhere else. Yeah, volume is dropping okay, and there we go. So, but like still looking strong, I will say. PLTR is still looking strong. This is not my best entry, but let's see. Yeah, it's trying to go even higher. So I don't know if he's gonna go higher than that. Um, that volume is definitely crying there. It's okay if I get out. If you get me out, it's a regular stop loss, and yeah, I I gonna try to hold, but because I think it might be a good opportunity, but it's looking strongish, so we have to respect that. So. Mhm. Yeah, 90/50, 90/50 is very 90/50. Yeah, like that's where it's supposed to. Like right now, if I will be looking for it, 90/50 will be the other price. But yeah, it's not. It's actually going even higher. So going through big sizes, and there we go. Why that didn't get me out? It's supposed to get me out. It maybe went by the penny. Let's see. Yeah, it is 934, so no panic in there. So 934, that's a 1 minute chart. What is the height of this? Is yeah, by 2 cents. It haven't got me out by 2 cents. So we have to be aware of what was executed at 90/50. That 90/50 definitely had a heavy lot there. So if we lost it from there, that could be a decent top there. So, but we're gonna see volume is doing the best it can, but like that's our 5 minute alarm. So holding the view up decently. Yeah, as I say, I know this name is still looking strong. I'm okay with the entry I took. That doesn't mean it will work. Like, there we go. Another this thing is pumping up like very heavy. So okay, get me out. He's gonna get me out. You haven't been able to get me out, but like by the penny. So yeah, he got me out now. Okay, cool. That's it. So let's see. Uh, I'm gonna stay focused in PLTR. Yeah, let's give it another shot. And I know I'm aware that I am trying the short twice, so this thing is trying that so fast. Yeah, I haven't got there yet. So I haven't got there. Now I'm trying to short the 91. Uh, so I say be aware of what was executed at 95.50. Got the So I'm still trying to get the 91, as I say. 91, 91, there we go, 91. I got the 91. So yes, still going higher. So okay, so let's see. That should work there. I'm not 100% sure, but let's see if it wants to work. Um, I know that 1 minute chart is a little bit too noisy, and I know I give it two shots to the same trade that didn't work at the beginning. I have reasons to trade the way I am trading this right now, like basically, like
Papa,
yeah.
I got it.
Okay, I'll be back.
I got it.
I'm getting a tattoo from my daughter, so. You. So basically, like it's holding good there, but like, what do we want to see here? We want to see this breaking below 90.51, and once it breaks below 90.51, we want to see it the breaking lower and holding lower. Uh, I am not too certain about this trade because I know I am kind of going counter, but like I know he have been holding okay, he have been doing very decent. On top of that EMA now, like basically bounce back up. So it might be a long. It's just like what is SPY doing? Let's see. SPY is looking a little bit worse than PLTR, but then you see PLTR losing it again. So what I was going to say here related to that size. So basically here in PLTR, yesterday, and this is where I got a little bit trapped, or like it's maybe the mentality trap or whatever. Like right now, I have to look at the tape just to make sure that we don't have anything scary or sizable, like a big size at that 90.50, which is around my stop loss. So we do not have anything that big. So we seem to be now trying to go lower. But let's see. That 15-minute chart is looking okay. It's looking like, yeah. So what I was going to say that was my concern with me going counter in this trade. This really put a reversal yesterday. Like I mean, it's not like it was not like extremely bullish, but it was bullish enough that we can say, you know what, like people were buying for real here. So like they were buying and they were buying a lot. So I expect this to be like a cushion here. If it ever try to come back to those size, it's like I don't know. Like I mean, maybe like that will be maybe our target around 88, probably yeah, probably 88 or 88.50. That should be our target. And yeah, so as you see, like now we are printing, but like this tray, I think we can go a little bit lower. I'm gonna have to be looking at that volume slightly closer. So okay, that let's put the 5 minute on here. So NVDA for now is looking like a clear short to me. If you look at the 1 minute, look how crazy is this thing. Like it went the 130.55 and like, but the same thing here. Basically, this is the size that was I was considering like kind of the heaviest. It broke through, went under, break above again, and now this is saying, you know what, we are having trouble holding above 130.50. So, but Nvidia, I have a more bullish sentiment basing the earnings release today. So I might not play Nvidia because I don't want to go short on it right now. But it doesn't look like a short, to be honest. Like I mean, like the chart, yes, looks like a short. Like, but yeah, maybe it's gonna be very rangy. I don't know. So I have to keep on mind. Like yeah, definitely. Like if you see those sizes, here there is a lot of the selling. Yeah, the selling is not as strong on Nvidia. I know it looks crappy right now, but that selling is not as strong on Nvidia. So I wouldn't be surprised if we bounce back up like quite aggressive here. Maybe if once we put a higher low, we can actually trade it from there. But let's wait for it to do that higher low. So PLTR I guess is trying to go back up. We are trading again above the level here. I'm not concerned about this one, so I'm gonna hold my stop loss where I have it. Nvidia is approaching that 129.44, which is one of the level of interest, 129.44, and that will be actually kind of a sweet lower high there. So I think I'm gonna go back to read the tape on NVDA. Probably I'm gonna drop off an order for the long at that price. If I see anything on the tape that can really say, hey, you know what, here you can put your order, and that will be actually at 129.50. So 129.50. So 129.50. And let's try to buy something there. So I'm trying to go long on Nvidia 129.50. Probably won't offer it. Let's see. Like SPY is holding as good as it can, but like you know, it did put a lower high, so Nvidia may have a higher chance of working. So PLTR, come on, my guy. Like as I say, let's go back to that daily chart. Daily chart. Yeah, it's still under pressure. Like I mean, the overall market. And when I say overall market, probably SPY. Half on the daily chart has more pressure than PLTR for sure because PLTR saw a hit with the news of budget cutting the budget and things like that on the Pentagon. But still, like I mean, that 88.50, I think it's totally doable, especially the way that chart is looking like today. So NVDA is going back up without us, and that's okay. We were just a little bit too slow and a little bit too picky on the price, maybe, but not too concerned about it. So, okay, PLTR, I am looking at you very close. PLTR is doing a yucky move toward the upside, but like, it's not trustable. Like we cannot trust that price action for the upside on PLTR right now. So we're gonna leave it quiet and see what it wants to do for real. So Yeah, in the 5 minutes looking okay. Uh-huh. Yeah, it's that 1 minute there. Right? Slightly higher average, so if Nvidia does another decent pullback, I think I'm gonna go with a low risk trade on it on NVDA. Yeah. So I'll be back in a little bit. As I say, I'm doing some parenting today. So yeah, at home. So yeah, the PLTR, as I say, I'm not too concerned about it. I'm gonna try to take some partial very soon, but there is some pending sizes toward the downside, I guess. I have to look at the tape for sure. But yeah, see you in a bit. So we are back and for a little bit, and yeah, that PLTR is trying its best, but I know when I was down here it was a little bit more flushy, but I want to see more flush than that. So Nvidia, as I say, was Nvidia was going to be a good trade. Like we basically missed that trade on NVDA. Um, that flush that happened here, that's no good. Like it might start selling off at some point, but let's look at it closer. Let's see. That's looking that way. Yeah, watch out for Nvidia. Uh, I do not have a clear price where I would like to see Nvidia short. So let's go back in the bigger time frame here, and we have 131.80 being relevant, and do we have? Yeah, we have 132 on the tape. So we have a big fish at 132, or as people call it, smart money. We really don't know how to call them because hey, it is what it is. So but yeah, at 132 there is a decent order. So if you think that the long can keep going, which I do think, we have room to go higher. Uh, yeah, we definitely have room to go higher. Like I will be probably buying. Do I have my order? Yeah, I have my order still, but like where the place I have my order is at 129.50. So what is Spy doing actually? Spy. Hmm. Interesting. Spy really tried to collect back to go back up. So there we go. PLTR flushing. So PLTR, we are not gonna be too picky on PLTR, but I'm gonna drop off an order at yeah, 89.50. Let's see if I can get. We went there already, so okay, so it will be a little bit below. Yeah, I have an order to take partial at 89.16, 17 actually. So let's watch it go. So I say I have to watch out for PLTR short because it was bought decently yesterday. I can really sense that plateau at the 6.4R. Like PLTR is trying to bounce back up from there, and so let's say when we go into the 15-minute chart. As I say, I already have the partial order in. I know exactly what I want a partial, and so there we go. And then I will be breaking even, leaving the rest for whatever it wants to do. Oh yeah, let's see what you have for me.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
So basically, we took some nice partial there on PLTR, and I say I'm gonna leave the rest for whatever it wants to do. I think we're gonna keep going down, but I'm not that sure about it. But no matter what, just breaking even on that trade. Nvidia offered me the entry, and like I got distracted by a little monster, and I couldn't really take it. But yeah, this was a very nice entry here, 130.50, 130.50, somewhere around there, maybe 130.30. So that was a decent shot if I ever believe on it. Lower, yeah. I think still worst the shot, but like you have to be watching the trade because on that at least on NVDA, because of that big whatever move, I don't know how to call this, went all the way up, then all the way down, then went back up, especially because here we trade a little bit lower. So I think I am about to look the other way on this name. So I say there was a big order at 132. The 135 might be the let's see if I go in the 5 minute. I just think it was the shot. So what is the so trying to go short on NVDA. As I say, the reason for the short is the move we did at the open. And I think now we definitely gonna go down. Once we lose the 130. Why do I say that? Like basically that test happened a little bit too fast, in my opinion. So yes, it's gonna bounce back up, but oh, prove me wrong. No, you just flush through. And I didn't took the long or the short in this name. So I have both orders. So let's see. Yeah, cancel. So in PLTR, we are 30 cents from target, 30 cents from target, and we're gonna ring the bell very soon. One more time. Nope. Okay, you wanna play the game PLDR? I drop off the order for the next partial. The reason for that, yeah, it did print. It did print the 50. So very nice, very nice. Ooh, we got Nvidia as well, and yeah, Nvidia. Yeah, I have an order to get the next partial. We're gonna ring the bell very soon. That what happened to 8850. I kind of didn't like the way it interact with. So, but it's that very serious thing going on at that 8850. So I have an order a little bit in front. So you got a way better price than me, I think. On the no, I have 9101, but I got you. But it's still very good price. You have a good price. So. Nice. Very nice. Yeah? Okay, keep it there. We're gonna bring it to her. Okay, thank you. It's true, guy. Like you go in March break next week, and okay, honey. Come on, PLTR, go for it. PLTR is gonna give you that partial very soon. Come on, go for it. There we go.
Here we go.
That's how you train.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Oh, you're gonna be back in here. Ooh, very nice. That's very nice, my guy. You're gonna be back to this city. Yeah, like NVIDIA, like very disappointed here. Like I mean, you see how it break the 3050. As I say, I do not believe that much in the short on NVIDIA. Nice. You're such a sweetie. But yeah. Basically, I didn't believe that it was gonna break for good. I still don't believe it because like the thing here, NVIDIA reporting tonight. So, but what is the market doing? Yeah, SPY is just flying. Like NVIDIA, you know what? I think I'm gonna go out of NVIDIA. NVIDIA, let's look at the tape. And I say the tape was crowded at the offer on NVIDIA. We have a big guy at 132. So, what's up, lady? Good morning. Okay, NVIDIA 131.10. 131.10. I think that's a big candle. Shouldn't keep going there. Yeah, having a very good trading day again. So today I have Ella with me, so it has been a little bit funny because I go back and forth, but yeah, the trading day is going just good. So we are killing PLTR. So I'm planning actually to reload a little bit more on PLTR. For NVIDIA, I'm gonna give the I put my stop loss on NVIDIA 131 is 131.18, 131.20. If he wants to play the game, I don't want to play with it. Like there was, if I was gonna go short again, let's say because I was wrong, or if I want to add, the add is at 131.10, and the way it's looking like, as I say 100 times already, I guess people are buying this name for the earnings things tonight. No, Ella is here because she have a pedagogy day, another one. So Marie, this is what we did on PLTR. PLTR, I took a short here. It didn't work. and then I consciously try to give it another shot. When I say consciously, it's like I try to not jump right away. I wait for my decent price. So shorted here, partial here, partial here. Now I will be looking to add probably, but I'm uncertain about that yet. If I want to add to PLTR, I want to decide where to add. Like especially because SPY is having a good day, so SPY is going up. It's actually 0.75% up. So if I'm gonna add to PLTR, I really have to be careful where I add. So I have the ad on PLTR. Let's see if I get it. So I'm trying to add that PLTR at 89.44. I know it's looking distinct now, but let's see. What I'm supposed to be doing actually should be looking at SPY. SPY. Come on, PLTR, do a little bit more. A little push up. I would like to have that on PLTR. Nvidia coming back into the money. Nvidia is resisting to go down, like it doesn't want to go down at all. And today I have an observation point on Nvidia, something that I want to learn what it is. Like as I said previously, Nvidia was Nvidia was that stock that had a thicker tape on the offer. So come on, PLTR, go for it. PLTR is going to offer me that entry, and that's gonna be probably just about now. Let's see. There we go. Why did you do that? Okay, I had manually on PLTR. Not the best to do, but it's okay. So Nvidia got me out, as I say. I should be getting myself out way earlier, but it's okay. I gave it what I consider makes sense. So yeah, it just went kaboom from there. So then let's see PLTR. Though I add on PLTR, I am still breaking even on PLTR. I'm trying to hold for longer. I won't add anymore because I don't want to worsen my price too much. I would like maybe to see an interaction with the VWAP. SMCI. Wow, SMCI went up quite a lot. Um, Straight up actually. AMD not looking that great, but looking okay. So PLTR. I could probably retake NVDA because it did what it did there. Like the famous thing that always happened to us is like, but I'm not sure. Like I mean, I just gonna walk away from Nvidia because I have a bullish sentiment on it. So I think it is a long, not a short. So yeah, for sure, it's like a long, not a short. While PLTR is another story. So and I am breaking even on PLTR. So I kept my R's from PLTR, and now I just need to watch it going where I think it's gonna go. And yeah, I'll be back. Just give me a minute. So we are back, and PLTR just did exactly what we think it was going to do. Nvidia, no much. I haven't moved much, but I guess that's more and more reasons for us to leave it quiet. So unless maybe trade below 130.50. So do not ignore SPY. That's important. Do not ignore SPY. So while this trade on PLTR just developed itself, I'm gonna be taking a look through everything. Um, so basically, we have SMCI, which is last time we looked at it was pumping up. SMCI, I wouldn't go short on it to be honest. This name is very strong. Yeah, honey. 1 second, please. So as we can see, PLTR just keep going down, and I'm gonna be taking partial again, just to be disciplined. And PLTR, the way we went there, selling climax, probably or probably not. So So I have an order to take some partial on PLTR, and yeah, I didn't act fast enough, but I wasn't looking at it when it went there, but pretty sure it's gonna go back to 88, or I think so. I want to add a little bit more to PLTR. Instead of removing there, I want to add right there. So let's see if he wants to offer it again. So PLTR, I have an order to add at 88.88. There we go. We got the add. Still breaking even on the trade, as I say. So let's see what it wants to do. I am very tempted to short them BDA again, but the problem is it is not looking like a short. Ooh, PLTR going even higher. So let's see, PLTR. PLTR may get me out. He got me out. Okay, that's okay. So SPY. Okay, I got the PLTR back. So yeah, PLTR wants to go higher right now. So how did I see? I didn't see that. Yeah, that should be it. Nvidia printing 82, 132. Yeah, PLTR. He didn't even print the 32, so So something I can see like anywhere the long will be in the past. I mean, at this point, it's still looking very long. NVDA. So if I want to take a long on Nvidia at this point, I think that long will be 131.40. Let's see if we can do that. Say 50. I have an order to get on Nvidia. NVDA, let's see.
Papa,
Yeah. Okay, we're back. I know I'm going a little bit counter on that NVDA, but let's see if it really wants to hold. As I say, it has been a long up to now, so it's a small amount of shares. Let's see if it wants to really hold. PLTR have been the champion of the day, so I agree that NVDA is looking already distinct, but yeah, I might be just buying exactly at the wrong time, but let's see. Let's see if it really wants to hold above those EMA. Okay, I have the proper stop loss on PL on NVDA, at least for the size I have. So let's manage a little bit better PLTR. So PLTR, if it's gonna keep going down, which I think it's gonna keep going down. Right now my target is the low of the day. The problem is that I don't want to take any risk on it. So when I see it breaking through 89, and once it breaks through 89, I'm gonna be breaking even. Yeah. Okay, I'm back, and yeah, as I say, PLTR really fighting for it. Doesn't want to go lower, and I have to respect the volume that he have been putting on. So I don't know. Probably it is time for me to be breaking even on that trade already. I'm gonna be okay with that breaking even because it's like. Unfortunately, it didn't went down the way I was expecting as fast. So breaking even, I think, is the right thing to do on PLTR. While on Nvidia, probably it's gonna be. It was unable to break that level, but I want to see it breaking through. So what I can do now on NVDA is that I can add to the trade, or I can reduce my risk quite a lot, because right now it makes no sense to let it go below 131.24. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do actually. Nvidia stop loss. right there. That was the farthest it was able to do. So if it's gonna work, we don't have to let it go too far against us. Oh, PLTR. PLTR may get me out. But it's shooting. It's just like it's doing that awkward move right there. And that's why I say I have to break even, because it's trying to hold, and it has a very decent volume down here. So if he's holding that with that volume, there's a high chance that my trade is not gonna work. So if it's not gonna work, why will I fight it too much? So Nvidia 132. Probably what I should be doing is reading the tape, which I am kind of not doing right now. And of course, like, it's very awkward when you have a counter trend, like PLTR short, the media long. You have that feeling where the P&Ls are like going the opposite. But yeah, PLTR is really grabbing some decent volume toward the upside. You're gonna see that, and yeah, there we go. As I say, it may get me out, and after you get me out, it still may work. It's just I don't feel like taking any risk on PLTR, so with the volume that he have put under there, so alright, it's okay. Let's not play a chicken.
Papa,
Yeah. So we're back. I think I'm just gonna take the profit and walk away for now. yeah, I have a little bit of a distraction here, so I'm gonna be. I think it's the best. So it's not the best way of trading for sure. It's fun, but it's not the best way of trading. But yeah. So let's see if that PLTR finally coming back into the VWAP. I expect it to not hold the VWAP okay. So Nvidia, even when if I did it late, it was the right thing to do. So there we go. Nvidia just keep ripping up. Breaking even on Nvidia, but more than breaking even on Nvidia, I will be taking that partial very soon. Thank you, thank you. And as you can see, we have some distraction here with like I'm gonna wrap it up very soon. I have to, so let's see. Nvidia, once it hits 4 hours, I'm taking everything. I know it can go higher. It's just as I say, I have to wrap it up because I have a little bit of distraction. So maybe not even 4 hours. Like I think I'm trying to look at the tape on Nvidia, and it's getting very lean. So that tape on Nvidia is really getting it's changing a lot. So but Marie, when you come back, this is something like remember, like if you like, we want to talk about the volume at the ask or the offer, but when the volume is significant in either side compared to the other, I have take some notes and I want to transfer that knowledge to you, and it's beautiful. So okay, there we go. So this is NVDA hitting 4 hours. So we did a little research on partialing and getting out all those good things, and basing my conditions today specifically, I just got totally out of Nvidia.
Here we go. Money
I'm willing to be all out of PLTR, but on that PLTR we're gonna do it a little bit different. Let's see. I'm trying to survive whatever is PLTR is doing at the VWAP. Yeah.
That's on my menu.
Okay. So as I say on PLTR, like yeah.
When you are coming upstairs,
In a couple minutes, honey. I will be there very soon.
okay.
Okay, see you there. So basically, like as I say, for PLTR, like the game plan is different. Like you see Nvidia going higher. I knew the probability of that going higher. It's just like I have to wrap it up very soon. I don't have a choice. So for PLTR, like I am like PLTR unable to hold the VWAP. I know it can go like this and hold the VWAP very soon, but I kind of don't see the momentum in there. Like I like the way it's holding, like those 89, 89.20, 89.40. If you see, I have blue lines here because like when we were looking at the pre-market, the volume on the tape was at those 89.40, 89.20, and then 89. So I know that they were selling quite heavy, but now we are trading above even the worst of them, which was 89.40. When I say the worst, is because I am short on it. If I will be long, that will be the best. So they are holding those prices. So I have my stop loss, but I think this can go lower. It's just uh, due to the time I have today and all the thing, I can be wrapping it up very soon and just like walk away with whatever it is. But yeah, so let's see. Yeah, I don't want to be trapping that trade, so let's see if it really wants to flush. 89.10 seems to be relevant right now. So yeah, yeah, that's why like that's PLTR, right? What you're mentioning there. If it is about PLTR, yeah, that's kind of what I say. It's like um, it is trying to hold above the VWAP, and like the sellers are still aggressive, like not as aggressive as previously. But that's why maybe I just want to be out of it and like call it a day. And like 89, 85, there we go. Is okay, so let's see. That's a nice volume coming on there. So so once it go positive, I'm gonna be out. If not, it's gonna get me out at the lost I put. But like, let's see. Yeah, making higher highs. Okay, PLTR got me out. So that's that's okay. Yeah, unless it's a scalp tray, I don't think I will take any other tray. Okay. ROM name. I took a loan on NVIDIA by mistake. I want to take a loan on PLTR. And it's still okay, but no, it was not what I was planning to do. So it's okay. I think I can hold it there. A little bit below. So NVDA, as I say, that was a mistake. I have a okay price, but it was just by luck. So okay. Yeah, that's what it is, NVIDIA. That's what I want to see. When I took the loan on NVIDIA, I was breaking even, so by mistake. Like I mean, I was breaking even because the trade was by mistake. Now we are printing down, so that makes sense to me. I know this name is super strong, so let's see if we can scalp out at least 2R. So there we go. There we go. Yeah, there is not much reason for me to rush it, but mm-mm. 7 seconds. There we go. We took half of that, and the rest we're gonna leave it for whatever it wants to
Here
do.
comes the money, 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 money.
Just getting back whatever I gave on PLTR in the last trade, and I'm gonna wrap it up very soon, as I say. That's it. Right now, he doesn't have where to go. As I say, breaking even on that tray makes no sense. But it will go back up. Yeah, the tape is not there anymore. Actually, there is a maneuver it might be able to replicate. What means, like from 132.57, it makes sense that it will bounce back up. 132.57. Let's see what it wants to do with that. Yeah, it is respecting the 132.57 quite well. So normally I would like to see more momentum when it does that, but it's not participating now. So basically the fight is between 133 and 132.57. If 133 loses, I'm gonna be gone. And if 132.57 loses, well, we're gonna be making a little bit more profit. So yeah, thank you. We are working on that. It's good teamwork. Hey, hey. So, especially because this is the name I look at as a long. Um, I just think now it's a little bit extended. Well, a little bit. It's a lot extended, but yeah, if you wanna keep flush, there we go. The flush from the 132.57 happened like if there is nothing now. So now we would like to see some continuation to those 132.13. 132.13 next target. Very nice support at that EMA there. So let's see what do I want to do with this trade. That's just a pullback. So yeah, I have an order to be all out right there. So we're gonna do just one snap one more time, which now I last a little bit too long by the penny. So let's see. Might be okay yet, but there we go. There we go. That you see that acceleration right there? Come on, buy the penny. We didn't went out. Buy the penny. Yeah.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
So as I say today, I know it's 5 minutes early, but I'm gonna have to wrap it up. I have things to do, other things to do. So yeah, I have. It was a very good day in general. I took a couple red trades, but nothing to complain about. Let's see. Let's walk you through my trades. On PLTR, I only went short. I didn't went long at all. But Nvidia, I went both sides, like long and short. So the first trades I took was on PLTR. So first trade was right here. I went short here, thinking that it was gonna go down. So it got me out, and that's okay. That was a regular trade. So then I say, you know what? I think I'm correct. So because I think I'm correct, I'm gonna give it another shot here, being aware that this is the habit that normally kill me during the bad days. But I gave it a shot here, never got me out, and then it tumbled all the way down here. If you see, like here, if I gave like 50 cents away, here I'm partialing almost $2 below. Yeah, $2 below. I'm partialing, then more partialing here. Add got all out here, then all out here, shorted. Did I short here, got out, short and got out. So those last two trades didn't work. Yeah, then I leave it quiet. But still a very profitable.
Papa,
Yeah, honey.
Canada.
Yeah, sorry about that. So basically, what I say, like, though I took 3 red trades on it, which was this one. Yeah, honey.
Mama wants to go to do pee-pee.
It's okay. I take care of Dumbo.
Okay.
Thank you. So basically, what I was saying, though I took 3 red trades on it, which was the first one and the last two, the profit we made in this trade was big enough that we are very green on it yet. So PLTR, as I say, only went long, short out, short partial, add. I don't know what I did there. It seems to be like an add again, and then got out. Okay, it was only the last trade that was red. So I only have 2 red trades on PLTR. It's not 3, so just 2. The first one and the last one. So that's okay. The rest was money making. So, and then NVDA, I last a long time here and to go long because I was concerned about this flush here. So, but still was looking long. And as I say 120 times today, the reason why I believe in the long is because we are reporting earnings today on Nvidia. People have very good expectations about it. So because they have good expectation, they might be trying to push it in higher and higher. But yeah, we're gonna see at the end of the day what is gonna happen with that. So, but basically, I went short here in Nvidia and it didn't work. So I got me out, short, got out. Then I say, hey, you are looking for long on Nvidia, not short. So I went long here, partial, at all out. When I got all out here, no, it was short, out, with a loss, short, all out, because I say I want to take everything, I remember that. So I got all out there. Then I was trying to take a long on PLTR. When PLTR was breaking up here, like when it was here breaking up, I said I want to take a long, but by mistake, the level 2 I had was BDA. So I took a long by mistake here. I should be taking 2 hours, but I didn't, so I broke even on that long. And then I shorted here again. That was very calculated. The short was very intentional. So short, partial, and all out. And we are still trading above. I know we can go all the way down to VWAP. That's the probability that this thing say could happen. Like it could go all the way down to the VWAP and then back up. But I was just happy with the profit. So we did a analysis on taking partial and taking profits, and there is something we're exercising, which is we want to keep more of the money that we have in the unrealized P&L. So good trading day in general. Very happy with the trading day. We have the 3 days have been green. So and yesterday was very big day. So we're just gonna keep exercising those things trying to keep learning, trying to keep being disciplined. Yeah, so yeah, thank you everybody on the chat. I know people are commenting and trying to help me too. So yeah, that was everything for me today. Spy is coming back as I kind of expected at some point, but very nice push up here, very strong market. So let's see what tomorrow is going to bring to the table. And yeah, I hope everybody have a good day, and definitely I will see you tomorrow. And yeah, sorry about the interruptions and things like that, but hey, we have to do what we have to do. So yeah, bye everybody.